Hello, good morning. Welcome to the morning session, and let's go into the chat and see what today has for us. Okay, this is good on the Warner. Good is still playing bullish, and there is no entry for me on gold. I saw this formed right here. I saw this. You can see this bullish engulfing form, but the candle looks somehow on this particular pair. Let's just say the version of gold chart I'm using, but it's still have been a break-even trade if I have taken the position here. Come on. Yeah, yeah, I think it did. It didn't go up to 1 ratio 3, but it like 1 ratio 2 or thereabouts. Okay, so that's that. There was no position on that. Let's move to the next pair. And okay, this is Euro USD. Now I'm even on Euro USD. I entered this position yesterday. Now it's still playing upward. It's still going upward, and my stop loss is on the entry line now. This is another bullish engulfing on Euro USD right here. This is another position forming. Oh, it has formed already. You can see this candle. Let me just put it here. This candle, yeah, you can see it engulfs and took out the low formed by the previous black candle. This is a nice position here for another buy, but I'm in the position already, so there's no need for that. Okay, the next pair is USJPY. USJPY then eats my entry just like 2 pips or thereabout, or 3. And as you can see, it did 1 ratio 5 yesterday. You can see after taking out the first, the TP start reversing a little. So that's that. There was no entry on this, but the position is very valid. Okay, GBP card. GBP card is breaking down a little, but on the 4 hour, let's see. Let's do the markup. By the way, if you are new to my channel, kindly go over the previous video or go and watch the video that explains how my strategy really works. You're going to have a broader view and a deep understanding of it. Okay, this still breaking upward here. Still breaking upward right after this, and we are still within this range, so still very bullish on GBP card. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Prices come down a little, and see the bullish engulfing form somewhere around there. Take it up again. Look for buys there. Yeah. On GBP AUD, AUD is breaking down a little. I think it's trying to mitigate this imbalance is forming right here. That has been formed already. Yeah, it's trying to come into this zone a little, and we are still within this. Let me check the 4 hour. The 4 hour, yeah, we are still within this range on the 4 hour. Oh, when did this form? This is a valid entry. I didn't notice this. Let me see. You can see there's another. This is the entry forming on the 4 hour. Oh, but that's way like that. That's like 49 pips. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, I'm expecting the price to come down a little. Same thing here. Let's see, get somewhere around the end. We look for the bullish engulfing candle form. Then we take the buy position. The next pair is the USD. I was in this position yesterday on USD. After doing 1 ratio 1, I broke even, and you can see price almost hits the stop loss. So I was even on this trade yesterday, but it seems to be breaking down. But this kind of price movement is not my ideal. So if it's going to move, it's supposed to go down straight or up, But that's that on ADSE. On ADSE, I'll still be expecting the market to break down since there is no close above this high. This high is still protected. This high right here. Once the market close above this high, then we can start looking for bullish position on ADSE. On GBUSD on the 4 hour, we're still within this range from this low formed right here. You can see this upward push. So the price is trying to come down a little. Let's see and expect the formation of the entry candle, the bullish engulfing candle form. Okay, let me delete this. This is the bearish engulfing candle, so it's not a sell. We are still in the upward move. Let's see how it breaks down, and we expect to take it up to. Expecting to take it up to. On USD card, yeah, I took a loss on USD card yesterday. USD card seems to still be within this range, this big range here, from this high to this low. You can see. So I will still be looking for bullish position on USD card, but right now it seems to be trending downward. If I see any change to the upside or the bullish engulfing candle form that confirms that the bulls are ready to take over again, then I go for a buy on USD card. The last pair, USD CHF. Okay, this was a trade I was supposed to take yesterday. I didn't take this because of the losses. I was at the max losses I'm supposed to have yesterday. So this is a nice entry. USD CHF is still bearish, and started from this break here. Market went up a little, then trending downward. So let's see how this is going to play out. If there be another entry on it again for a sell, I'm going for it until there's a close above this high right here. Here we can see this place was taken out by this candle, so we formed a new high right here. This high is still very protected until the price comes above this high. Then I'm still very bearish until there's a close of candle on the 4 hour above the high here. Alright, that's the forecast for today. Thank you for joining the morning session. I'll be back in the evening, 9:30 p.m. See you guys.